Hello, today we're learning a new sound. We're learning to say it, read it, and write it. And our sound for today is the sound R. We'll know we've been successful when we've said the sound, when we've read words with the sound, and when we've spelt words with the sound. So, my turn, your turn. R, 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 R. Excellent. I wonder what the picture is to go with it. This is start the car. So when you see this picture, say start the car. And when you see this, say R. R. Start the car. Start the car. R. R. Good. Fred's come out and Fred is going to come and whisper some words in my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to blend them. Here we go. Smart. Smart. Sharp. Sharp. Spark. Spark. One more. Park. Park. Wonderful. It's time to hide our R sound with our flashcards. So, here we go. Remember you point when you see it. U, R, good. E, A, I, O, U again. Right, I'm going to shuffle again. See if you can find it again. R, I, E, A, O, U. Wonderful. It's time for our green words. So Fred says we're going to do some Fred talking. So we're going to sound it out. Here we go. S, t, R, t, start. Our special friend was R. So special friend R, p, art, part. Special friend R. Oh, there's another one. Sh, arp, sharp. Fred says, let's go to Fred in the head. So you only say the word out loud when I point it out and we sound it out in our head. Hard. Car. Star. Wonderful. It's time for our red words. Here we go. Were, she, point to girl, school, over, down, to, we, was, me, be, saw, they, her, so, go, and no. And I have a new one for us today. It's the word all. All. My turn, your turn. All. Excellent. Over the week, what I'll do is I'll add more words in the same family as all. Well done. Time for our alien words. Here we go. Fred says that we're going to do some Fred talking, so we're going to sound it out because these are funny words. Special friend R. Art. Blart. Arg. Flarg. Arp. Charp. Ard, starred, and art, nart. These are funny words. Excellent. So far we've said the sound, we've read words with a sound, but we've not written anything. So I'm going to do a few words today. We're going to use our fingers to see how many sounds, and then we're going to write it out. Okay, the first word is the word car. My turn, your turn. Car. Car. Good. Let's see how many fingers we pinch. K, R. That was 2. There are 2 sounds. There's a special friend, which is R. So let's write it down. K. Now, if it's at the beginning, it's almost always a curly K. K. And it's just one sound, so I'm just putting a dot. And the next sound, K, R. It's our new sound today. R. There we go. Which means we have 2 sounds, which means I get 2 ticks. Wonderful. The next sound is the word bar. My turn, your turn. Bar. Bar. Good. Let's see how many sounds it has. B, R. 2 again. So the first sound is B. Go down, up and round. And again, it's only one sound. And the next sound is R. And again, it's a special friend sound. R. B, R. Bar. And again, I get 2 ticks. Let's do 2 more words. The next word is the word star. My turn, your turn. Star. Star. Excellent. Let's see how many fingers. S, T, R. This time it has 3 sounds. We know one of them is a special friend though. So the first sound is S. S. The next sound is S, T. Well done. What's the last sound? S, T, R. There we go. Star. So this time we get 3 ticks because we had 3 sounds. Let's get a little bit harder. Let's do the word sharp. My turn, your turn. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Good. Let's see how many sounds. Sh. Oh, that's another special friend. Sh. R. 3 sounds. 3 sounds, but we know there are a lot more words. So what makes a sh sound? It's a s and a h. It's another special friend. Sh. R. It's a new sound today. Sh. R. P. There we go. So we get 1, 2, 3 ticks. So today we have made sure that we've said the sound, we've read the words with the sound, and we've written words with the sound. Fred says, give yourself a hip hip hooray. See you soon.